Welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday. This is hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself. Okay, today I am out by my little garden bridge, and my Toby cat has joined me. He wants to see what I'm up to. Well, I added a gate it's just a faux gate. It's not attached to the bridge. But doesn't that look nice? So I've added some faux plants because nothing's actually come up yet. So I added a couple of trellises and a faux plant. Looks like it's climbing it. A little bird there and a little fairy house. And my moss-covered rocks leading up to my little DIY fairy house that I made out of bark. And some purple flowers here that are in a pot. And I put some ferns and some purple flowers in between to give it a realistic look. Boy, Toby is really curious as to what I'm doing. Oh, he even goes through the gate. I love it. I don't know if the gate's going to stay here or not, but for now it will. Now, the bridge we purchased off of Amazon, maybe 5 years ago now. And I have a couple of barrels with my gnomes on top of it. And another one of my DIY fairy houses with the moss pathway. And again with the ferns and the purple flowers. Now, I didn't buy anything new for this. I just used what I already had. So I'm going to take you around my garden bridge to see what it looks like. It's at the back end of my property, and we have a retention pond back here, and lots of evergreen trees. I'm going to just add music here, and I will be back at the end. So enjoy! Thank you all for watching. Remember, this is an open collaboration, so anyone is welcome to join. Come back next week for another Fairy Garden Thursday.